Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the upcoming trend for DJI, and the time frame for this is hourly, a couple of hours to probably some couple of days. So we are going to check out the Dow Jones hourly chart time frame and the analysis of its chart pattern, and we are going to check how the pattern has shaped up and how it will be in probably, because it's a hourly chart, so the time frame should be from couple of hours to couple of days depending upon the movement and the volatility into the market. There is no denial that the US market is one of the best or the best performing market across the world, financial market. So the trend which has been shaped up here is probably uptrending and somewhat volatile, I would say, if I would say like that, because we can see that in developed markets we generally don't see a 500 600 point movement on frequent basis, but it is happening in this year 2020, and this is probably the trend which has been shaped up in Dow Jones indices, and it's very much clear that it is moving inside a channel, and we are going to check it out as where the support lies. So if I just talk about the support, you will find it near 25,330 odd levels, and if you talk about the resistance or the next upside, so for that we are going to check out the probable up moves which has formed in the past, like it's a 7 days up move of 15% on the upside, and this is probably 20% on the upside, 20-21%. So what we could do is we can take that 15% here, around 15%. So if I talk about 15%, it will be, so if I better take it from here, it will be near 29,000 odd levels. So what we can see here probably that the volatility and the time frame both have increased. Okay, so what we can do is we just rely on the trend and probably make a range out of it, because we don't know whether the price will touch here on the upside or here on the upside. So we can make a range of probably 29,000 to 30,500 on the upside for Dow Jones indices. And let me remind you that this is an hourly chart, so it will take probably couple of hours to couple of days. So what we can see here that it has probably taken 22 days. So the next trend might take couple of hours to probably a month. Okay, if I say 22 days, then the target will come to near 30,880 levels, but I don't know whether this would be possible or not, like this kind of stretched upside. But we can probably see that there is a big upside according to this channel, and we can also see that the price is near to the support level firstly, or it has already made support here and it is moving up, and this is just a short term blip like here or here, and it will again move up. So the uptrend has already begun, but you just check this point that if it indeed breaks 25,330 odd levels, so the next probable support will come near, just let me know, will come near 24,353 odd levels. So there is a 1,000 point downside which is possible if it breaks the support level. And let me remind you, or if you just check here, that this is the high from where the price has fallen down. Okay, so if I say 21,000 9,000 to 30,500, it falls this range or this high falls in between that range, which is 29,592. So probably this level, and this is a very important level, so 29,645. So this could probably act as a resistance level for Dow Jones indices. Okay, so this is a very important level, and once this level crosses on the upside, we should wait for the price to take support above this line, above this price 29,645 or 29,650 odd levels, and then we will look for an upside from there. So we first, there are two conditions. First, we look for an upside, and then we look for a sustainability above that resistance line, and third, we are going to check it out what could be the probable trend on the upside after it will take support above 29,650 odd level. So let me again remind you that this is an uptrending chart, and this is an hourly chart, and the chart could probably take couple of hours to couple of days, or probably, when I say couple of days, it will take nearly a month for the trend to form. But unless something bad happens or volatility increase due to some XYZ reasons, there is nothing like this chart is slowing down, or the chart, there is a fatigue in the chart. What we can probably see here is an inherent uptrend. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and if you like anything, just share it and share your comments as well in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and lastly, take care of your family and friends.